so believe like you. Yeah, I'm like you. Yeah, I'm like you. And I feel who's that guy? Just say that you back. Looking down for me, never that's about it. Cause it's fair. If we always be right, then it doesn't get better. That's sweeping up again. I like you, yeah, I like you. Feeling so believing like you. Yeah, I like you, yeah, I like you. And I feel whoa. Casual, easy thing. Is it me? I like you, yeah, I like you. Yeah, I like you, 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 I like you. And I feel whoa.
Broken string, ladies and gentlemen. Just heads up on some housekeeping. In about 10 minutes, we're going to let this freestyle carry on for 10 more minutes, and then we're going to get our drivers ready for the style component of our Canary Derby. This will be followed by the awards and victory ceremony for our speed trials that we had earlier tonight, or today. So once again, 10 more minutes of freestyle, and then our open style cars demonstrations for all of you, followed by the awards and victory ceremonies.